Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Okay guys, Justin here with the how-to video. We painted the roll cage in this car the other day, and there was actually some cracking. We have some cracking in the paint, so we're gonna have to fix it. There were some things that caused that night. One, it was raining. Then my gun clogged up, and then my air hose actually started leaking out of a dry rotted spot. So I ended up having to go get a new hose, fix my gun, and it kind of throwed the paint on heavier than we wanted, so it kind of cracked. But this is how we're going to fix it. So if you guys can see the crack there, it goes all the way up to there, and then we have another one on the lower bar down to here. Then we have one here, there's one there and there, and I think that the other one is right there in the back corner. So, and then there's a couple spots, I don't know if the camera will pick them up. Yeah, you can see it. There's something in the paint right there. So since I'm in here and I got to fix that, I'm just going to go ahead and hit this and fix this too. So what you guys really want to do is get your sandpaper here, and you're going to sand these cracks down until you no longer see it. But unfortunately for these cracks, it went all the way down to the metal, so we actually have to sand these cracks. As you can tell, it's coming through the primer, and the cracks all the way down. So don't worry guys, it all can be fixed. Now see, the crack came out. Didn't go all the way to the metal, but it was very close, I guess. I'd already fixed the other side. That side went all the way down to the bare metal, so I figured this side did it too. But yeah, you want to sand that crack out and just get it out of there. See how the bare metal showed? It's no big deal. We just have to put some more primer on it, so I just got to go up a little bit there, and this one will be red. And like I said, sanding it isn't the easiest in some spots, and holding the camera trying to do it, it's not the easiest. So I'll sand these guys. I'll show you what they look like right before I prime them, and we're gonna have to wipe them down, clean everything up, and then we will prime it, let it dry, and we'll start putting the paint back on. So stay tuned guys. All right, I'm back. Make sure you guys have your mask. Get your gun all ready. And I'll show you how to spray this real quick.
So I just mixed up about 2 ounces of primer, that's it. So should be enough to do this. Just want it real light. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. Make sure I got everything. Alright guys, that's how quick, simple it really is. I think this took me about 20 minutes to get to this point so far. Now, you gotta let this dry for a good hour. I'm gonna let it dry for 2 hours, let it cure really good before we put a coat of paint on it. The other side's already been curing for over an hour. So I'm gonna clean my gun out, come right back. We're gonna shoot some paint on the other side. Alright, we're getting ready to shoot the color. The white back on the passenger side. The driver's side over there is still drying with the primer. So we're going to go ahead and get white shot on this real quick. And we'll let it dry. And when that's ready to get its first coat put on, we'll put the first coat on over there. And we'll come over here and hit this with the second coat. So you guys can see what it'll look like after second coat. And we'll make sure it's not going to crack again. So stay tuned. This is going to be difficult. There. Alright guys, got the first coat of paint on. We're going to clean everything up here and get ready to let all this dry and cure up. And hopefully we don't have no more cracking. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half. We're getting ready to put the color on the driver's side and then the second coat on the passenger side. So hang with me here and we'll get right with it. second, guys. Gotta hold the hose here. I hope you guys can see it. And the other way here. Now this will be the second coat for this side. Oh, sorry. Alright, hang on, man. That's to hold the hose. That's second coat on this side. It may need another one, but we'll let all this dry, let the other side dry. Then we'll get the third coat on, hopefully a good coat on the other side. If it needs a third coat, we'll do a third coat. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If so, please like, subscribe, and share it. It only helps my channel grow. See you guys next time.